Keep moving forward. Forward to a world of infinite possibilities, where you can unleash your imagination, making the impossible possible. With Forward AM's unique TPU material portfolio, conventional design is elevated. A material that is resilient, flexible, and versatile, giving you the freedom to unlock innovation. Welcome to the new era of industrial additive manufacturing. Where multiple grades and lattice-driven designs enable limitless opportunities. Get a faster finish with any color, detail, or texture. Simply let our expert team, technology, and partnerships maximize the potential of industrial scale production. With our BASF heritage and extensive industry network, we are paving the way for creative freedom in industrial additive manufacturing. Come with us. Change the world. Create the incredible. Keep moving forward with Forward AM.